Hi there and welcome. This is Mrs. Nelson's American Literature It's Learning page. I just wanted to give you a few instructions on how my page is set up. So here you are looking at my It's Learning page in general, and this page, this front page that says announcements, will just have some announcements, things that are due, things that students might want to take note of. But the real thing that students really should always be looking for is the resources. So if they click on this resources, they're going to get this resource tree down the left side. Now this is from last year, so all of the weeks are already set up. But this year, they'll just set up as weeks go on. So this says week 1, 8/17. The kids would just click on that, and then their work for Monday and Tuesday would be here, their work for Wednesday and Thursday would be in this folder, and their work for Friday would be in the next folder. So there's always going to be assignments set up. Sometimes it would just be a page that's prepared. So if we look here, this one has week 15, and there's just a page for Friday, Monday, and there's a page for Tuesday, Wednesday. So if I click on that page for Tuesday and Wednesday, it will say, hey, this is some information they need. There's usually an agenda of what they need to get done, and then there might be videos, etc., for them to look at to tell them what it is that they need to do for the day's assignment. So as a general rule, that's how all of the It's Learning page will work. They'll always go to the week that we are in, like the calendar date in the resources, and then the day of the week that they're looking for their absentee work will be in a page that just tells them the agenda and everything that they have to do for that day. And of course, you can always email me. My email can be found on the school website under faculty. And my name, of course, is Mrs. Ashley Nelson. So feel free to email me as well if there are any questions. I look forward to having a great year.